Laverne with Mama's Got Your Greens. Hey, I am out here with Sweet Soil Community Garden at the Potter's House of Denver. That's Sharon with Sweet Soil Community Garden. This is where I'm going to be having my plot. It's going to be great when I get to plant next year. But as you can see, they have many plots out here, and these plots over this way is going to be for the food bank. So as you can see, it's going to be a lot of plants. I want to show you also some more of the plots that we have. As you can see over here, there's a lot of more plots. We got some raised beds for the elders so they could come out here and help. But yes, this is going to be fantastic. Alrighty. Thank you for joining us. I'm out here. I'm enjoying myself. I'm going to start helping Sharon out here with some of the plots that we have. As you can see, she's out there watering the yard right now. Well, I mean, not the yard. She's watering some of the plots. So look forward to let you know the progress that we're having out here. Have a wonderful and fantastic day.